Hi people, today I wanted to show you something very important so you can speed up your workflow. Actually, I consider it to be important. One thing I wanted you to understand, because there are two options, paste and paste into active layer. How to copy a drawing on the same layer, I will show you now. For example, I want to copy character's head, but I will explain the differences between option paste and paste into active layer. Because one option isn't really suitable. For example, if you only use option paste, you unfortunately have separate drawing, separate layer, and you have to add blank frames. You can still do work around, but this doesn't save time, especially when you work with Krita. You still have to make sure nothing is behind that frame or when you go to this frame, and you still have to flatten layer. Actually, we have to use option merge with layer below, but this doesn't speed up things. Another quicker option is, I think I have to move this a little bit, so we can use create blank frame, and I will show you extra cool thing. When you try to copy character's head, copy, paste, paste into active layer, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, paste into active layer. There's no shortcut keyboard. You can still change keyboard shortcuts. Configure Krita. I try to find the paste, and we can change that. Paste paste into active layer. Ctrl V. Save custom shortcuts. Okay, I will call Krita keyboard layout preset. Autodesk Maya. Krita is nothing to do with Maya, but some shortcut keywords work like that. Load save, load custom shortcuts. Oh, you can see your keyboard shortcut. Okay, I will quickly modify this thing. Okay, after that you can create blank frame, edit copy. You can turn X-ray, you can turn onion skin on, edit. You can use it, Ctrl V. Wait a minute, Ctrl V. For some reasons, why this doesn't work? I assigned already shortcut keywords. Let's check this. I thought keyboard shortcuts, keyboard shortcut was working. Ctrl V. Now Ctrl V works okay. Because I have to modify my character's head to do further upload. Okay. Let's check if you properly saved it. Because this is quite important. You can always go to settings. Let's check setting edit. Oh yes, our shortcuts are working okay. Because you can check. I hope you like my video tutorial, people. And you can speed things up and you don't have to copy to separate layer your sketch. And I'm still working on my animation strong German bodybuilder. This guy is from Germany, this probably from Poland. He is eating spinach, this German guy. And see you guys, have a nice evening. I'm using the latest Krita snapshot build, but bug fix version, because you have nightly builds, but you also have the nightly builds which contain new features, but they can be unstable. But I'm using nightly build with bug fixes. Check if this works on Windows 8.1, because this, I think Krita still works with Windows 8.9, I believe.